freshman Algebra 1 mathematics class. I'm focusing on data collection, and from the collecting the data, they can come up with a function. Hopefully that's linear, or they can decide if there's a pattern or correlation. So the main concept is related to energy, especially passive solar energy. My students are going to, first of all, watch a video, walkie-talkie building in London, and I have in my lesson plan the link captured there, so you can watch that video, then discuss about passive solar heating. And by the time when I'm doing this activity, I have discussed how they collect the data, how they arrange it, and how they enter it in the graphing calculator and produce the pattern, and also from it they can come up with linear functions. So the main objectives of my lesson is to build a passive heating model. They will have a material that I provide, and on my lesson plan, again, the list of materials are all there. And when they build this model, it's going to be based on their understanding or their creativity, because I give them guideline, which is also in the lesson plan. They follow those criteria and use only the materials I gave them, and based on that, they're going to collect the data and also decide what makes the difference in temperature when they compare the data to other group of the students. Now here are some models that I have in my lesson plan. These are samples that I'm showing them to give them guideline when they build it. It will take about 2 days, I'm thinking, they are going to spend to build those. And these are going to be my testing stations. They will take their model, and the A is to check the heating, and B station is to check the cooling, and they're going to graph those. After they collect it, hopefully they will produce a graph, and they will discuss, and we'll have discussion time in the group and also as an entire classroom. And so the assessment I am doing is through the building the model, I will evaluate and review their design. Then there is a checklist for the link that they have data collecting activities they have to follow, and they will enter their information as they go through the station A and B. Then I am going to ask them to present what they found by doing this testing of their model building. Then why do I do that? It is to help them to learn how to collect data, and based on that, I am going to eventually lead them to see if they can come up with an idea about powering our school with either wind or solar. I have different lesson plans that I set on the separate document, but I'm working on it, so that is my goal for next step. Hopefully, my students will be excited enough, and we will be able to put some solar panels above our parking lot. And thank you.